So, what's your name again?
Laurel.
Laurel. So what do you like about Tommy and Tommy working here at Golden Brown Delicious?
He always is a lot of fun. He's always cracking jokes. He's always positive. It's just like a good, happy nature about the kitchen and out here too. He also learned really fast.
Okay.
Helps me out a lot because before he was here, I had to do the lunch dishes every day. So
Right.
it's a teamwork thing now, and it makes it a lot easier on everybody.
Okay. So he's been able to pick up. Do you have any?
Yeah, he's very positive, funny. He always has us laughing. He's always singing, so
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed that.
He's great to have here
Tommy
because
here.
it keeps us entertained.
Okay. Hi, I'm with Chris here from Golden Brown Delicious, and he works quite a bit with Tommy, who started working here as a dishwasher about maybe a month ago, or a little bit more like that. So, what kind of things have you enjoyed seeing, or have you liked about Tommy working here?
Tommy has a great personality. He's full of energy when he comes in every day. He hits the ground running. He doesn't have to ask questions. He knows exactly what he needs to do.
Okay. Have you worked much with people with special needs before? Is this kind of a new experience?
It's not a personal new experience for me, but as far as the restaurant industry goes, it is kind of a newer avenue.
Okay, and what kind of things is Tommy doing here since he started working?
He does a lot of cleaning projects, and then he's recently started to do some food prep items where he's weighing out burgers and learning how to pre-prep, kind of getting things ready to go for prep, which has been real nice.
What are, what do you appreciate most about having Tommy here compared to maybe other workers that you have? What stands out?
His personality, his attitude just really shines. He's a joy to have around and a real bright spot in the kitchen every day.
And timely?
Yeah, he's 5 minutes early every day.
5 minutes early, so that's always a good thing, right? To have somebody early.
We're rising from the ashes to the stars. You're the joy, 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 light in my soul. The joy, 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 making me whole. Though I'm broken, I am running into your arms of love. You're the joy, 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 light in my soul. The joy, 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 making me whole. Though I'm broken, I am running into your arms of love. You're the joy, the song of my heart, the hope of my soul. In the shadows, in the sorrows, in the desert, when the pain hits, you are constant, ever present. You're the song of my heart. Oh, in the shadows, in the sorrows, in the desert, when the pain hits, you are constant, ever present. You're the song of my heart. You're the joy, 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 light in my soul. The joy, 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 making me whole. Though I'm broken, I am running into your arms of love, into your arms. We're choosing celebration, breaking into